At a project here that's had some water leakage going into the basement, and actually I'm standing from the outside here looking because this window here, that's a bathroom window, and it's broke, so when we run in the shower, the water literally come out here, and you can kind of see some of the water stains and such, and you can see water coming right out of here, right out through the window here, and it's going down. And but the contractor said that he can tie into it from the outside here and not disturb the wall inside, the bathroom wall, the shower wall, which that's on the other side of this window. But the problem with that is the shower wall is definitely attached to the studs. If it's attached to the studs, it's going to be like really interesting to get into a tile wall and not disturb that. We're trying to remove them studs. Not just that, but this has been going on for quite a while. But it's been going on for quite a while. Then that's telling me also that there's a good chance that you better count on mold being behind that wall. So this is something that a lot of times inexperienced contractors they'll say they can't see something. They do, they can do it one way, and then when they get into it, then they say, well, I got to do a whole bunch more work, and then the price of your job goes sky high. The timing gets all off, and with that being, and they say, well, how am I supposed to see it? It's behind the wall. Well, sometimes you don't see it, but you know that you understand building. The walls are attached to the drywall. The walls are attached to the sheathing. You're going to have to get into, you're going to be some disturbance somewhere. So you got to have a little common sense, or just be aware of the contractor. I think this guy's a great guy. I just think he wasn't thinking about it with everything else happening, but beware of the shyster contractors. They do know. That's why quality contractors will charge you more money, because they'll be expecting these kind of issues. And that way they don't blindside you. Well, I hope this has been informative and disappointing for these folks enough, but I hope this is you learned something, and it's been good for you, and hopefully this will save you some money someday. And call Galloway Building Services if you ever need a construction inspection or a home buying inspection.